Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So, children, now we will start. That is class 4 science subject. So, that is class 4. That is science subject. So, we are going. That is 8th unit, 8th lesson. That is food and digestion. Food and digestion. Now which lesson we are going? So food and digestion. So I explained you what is meant by food. So what is meant by food I explained you. After that digestion also I have been explained you. So how we will get a food. So with the help of what we will get food. So different types of food. Different types of food we will get, that is nutrients, carbohydrates, next proteins, fats. So the diet which has only 1 or 2 nutrients is not a balanced diet. So here what he told, whatever we take food, so whatever we take food, that is not a correct balanced diet, 1 or 2. So example I will say water, ఒక్క అన్నం తిని కూర తిని జస్ట్ అది బ్యాలెన్స్ ఫుడ్ మొత్తం మన యొక్క ఆరోగ్యానికి ఫిట్ అయ్యే ఫుడ్ అనుకోవద్దు. సో అందులో చాలా మినరల్స్, ప్రోటీన్స్, కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ అలాంటివి చాలా ఉంటాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు మనము carbohydrates we have been read. Okay, that is carbohydrate, what we will get with the help of carbohydrate. So what is meant by carbohydrate? It is energy giving food. What it is? Energy giving food. Next, proteins, it is a body building food. What is proteins? Body building food. Next, fats, it gives us heat to our body. It is a energy food. It is energy. Okay, more heat and energy, fats. So till fats we have been learned. So now we will go to the minerals and vitamins. So vitamin and minerals. What is meant by vitamins and minerals? So in the lesson 8th only we completed till fats. So now we are moving to the vitamins. What is vitamins and minerals? So what are vitamins we will learn now. So here till carbohydrates, proteins, fats we have learned. What is meant by vitamins? It is also part of a here there are balanced diet. So what is meant by vitamin? Our body needs some food for protecting us from diseases and to keep fit to our health. So our body, yes, our body needs what we have need. Our body which it has been protected from the diseases. We have one more to protect our body. So not only being a good, so we have to be healthy also. If we eat food also, it may cause us some diseases. So we want to protect with that diseases. So we have to keep us fit and healthy. So when we will keep our body healthy and fit, then we will be aware of the diseases. These protective food are called vitamins and minerals. So what is meant by protective food means with the helping. So it is need, some is protecting from the disease and keep fit and healthy. So these protective food, is known as vitamins and minerals. So this protective food is called as vitamins and minerals. So vitamins are needed to keep our body fit and protect from the illness. So what he is telling? Vitamins. So about vitamins what he is telling here, it will be protected. So vitamins will be protected. Our body, it will be protected to be fit and healthy, and we must not fall from the illness. It will be protected. Which one? It is a vitamins. Though we need them in a small amount, we need to take them daily. Fresh foods, vegetables, eggs, milk and liver are the rich in vitamin. So in the vitamins, how we will get vitamins means to take. So it is a less food. It is a less food. Then also it has a vitamins. We have to take daily. So takkuga అందులో తక్కువ ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం లెస్ ఫుడ్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ రిచ్ ఇన్ విటమిన్స్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ వాట్ స్మాల్ అమౌంట్ వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ దెమ్ డైలీ. సో వేర్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ స్మాల్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ ఈస్ దేర్, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ డైలీ హీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్. సో హియర్ ఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రూట్స్, హీ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ fresh foods, vegetables, milk, eggs and liver we have to take in to get vitamins. Minerals like calcium, iron, potassium and iodine are the salt needed in the small amount by different parts of our body. So minerals ante enti we have to get minerals means calcium, potassium and iodine, iron. So iron ivanni chala main important to our body, so we'll get with the minerals. So it is what we have iodine and salt are needed in the small amount by the different parts of our body. మన యొక్క శరీరంలో different parts of body we want in a small amount, but also it is very essential, that is mineral. Calcium helps in formation of bones and teeth. Calcium is helping in the teeth and bones, బొక్కలలో అండ్ ఐరన్. మన యొక్క బాడీకి కాల్షియం కావాలంటే బొక్కలలో నెక్స్ట్ టీత్లోకి హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. ఐరన్ ఈజ్ నీడెడ్ టు ఫ్రమ్ ద బ్లడ్. ఐరన్ దేనికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది? ఫర్ బ్లడ్. సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్. కాల్షియం హెల్ప్ అస్ టు formation of bones and teeth, forming the bones and teeth. Next, iron, it is needed for the blood. Iron denki use avutundi, needed for blood. Fresh foods, vegetable, liver of a chicken, milk etc. rich in minerals. So here fresh fruits, vegetables, liver of a chicken anta, it is a liver of a chicken, it is milk, are rich in minerals. They are rich in minerals. Some calcium rich foods are milk, curd, sago, almonds, cheese and paneer. So some calcium rich, there are so much of rich in this, that is milk, curd, sago, almonds, cheese and paneer. They have rich calcium in this. Some iron rich foods are beetroot, apple, fig and carrot. So some iron, again he is telling some rich iron. What is that? Beetroot, apple, fig and carrot. So what is rich food calcium rich? That is curd, sago, almonds and paneer, cheese. Rich iron are apple, beetroots, fig and carrots. Okay. Now luggages. So we are moving to the luggages. So luggages are important for the proper digestion of food. Luggages are fiber present in the food which are not digested with the food, but they help in easy digestion and removal of wastage. Raw vegetables are the fruits are rich sources of luggage. So here what he is telling, so these luggages are important for digestion. They are important in digestion and aragadam kosam idi important luggages. So like are fiber present in food, they are more fiber present in food which is not digestion with the food, but they help in easy to digest and removal of wastage. So here what is the luggages are is helpful to be digestion and then taking off out of wastage from our body. Raw vegetables are fruits are rich source of luggage. So here raw vegetables ante ఎక్కువగా డైరెక్ట్గా తినే వెజిటేబుల్స్ మీకు చెప్పాను. డైరెక్ట్ ఇట్ మే బి బనానా, ఇట్ మే బి క్యారెట్, రాడిష్, దిస్ వి విల్ ఈట్ రా. సో these are the rich source of luggage. So what is a rich source of luggage? Is the fruits and vegetables. So here sources of luggages are fruits, cucumber, apple, carrot, some he given here. So these are the luggages. Okay. So children's now vegetables and more we have to take fruits with the raw, that are more source of luggage. So we have completed luggages. Next we are moving to the water. You know everyone what is mean by water. Okay. So what is mean by water? Everyone know. So it is a very important part of our life. So without water you can live? No, we cannot live without water. So we cannot live with water, air and food. So it is also one of the important thing, water. Water is very important part of our diet. So it is a very important part of our diet. So our body needs it for all its functions. So if we drink water only, we will be no thirsty and it is our one of the main part source. Proper digestion and good health, we should take 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So here 8 to 10 glasses of water we have to drink. So here what he is telling, proper digestion మంచిగా అరగడానికి. So to be digestion properly in our body we have to take 8 to 10 glasses, 8 నుంచి 10 glasses water we have to drink daily to be good our health and to be good digestion. So everyone will take water very nice. I know daily some people they will not drink water. So proper digestion ఎక్కువగా వాటర్ తాగకపోతే we will get some more cautious. అంటే మన యొక్క బాడీలో కొన్ని ఏమంటారు యూరిన్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్, లైక్ ఇట్ విల్ బి యూరిన్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్, స్టమక్ ఏక్. వెనెవర్ we eat only we will take little bit. So 8 to 10 glasses of water we have to drink to be a good our health. Here given formative assessment ma children, I will give, this is very easy formative assessment. I will give for you homework, very easy. This is page number 56. It is a very small, చాలా చిన్నది. జస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టిక్ లైక్ దిస్. సో రైస్ నుంచి కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ వస్తుందా, ఫ్యాట్ వస్తుందా, ప్రోటీన్స్ వస్తుందా, విటమిన్స్ టార్గెట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ రెడ్ ఇయర్. సో యూ క్యాన్ ఈజీలీ we can usually tick off. Say rice is carbohydrates, chapati, ghee, dal, this all you can be very easily. So do children this one, page number 60 as homework in textbooks. So children, this is your homework, small only in the textbook I am giving for you. So in the TB only I am giving for you to do. So next we are going to junk foods. So junk food means what we will know now. In this lesson only water we have been completed. Now junk foods we will be going on to the junk food. Junk food. So now we will know what is meant by junk food. So junk food ante entidi ante outside food. Outside food is not good for our health. So whatever we will prepare in our home, మన యొక్క మమ్మీ మదర్ వాట్ షీ విల్ ప్రిపేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ హోమ్స్. సో హియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్ యూ నో వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై జంక్ ఫుడ్. సో whenever in our homes we will prepare whatever it may be, biscuits, chocolates, whatever we will eat, snacks. So you have to only take inside of our home whatever we will prepare. So outside we will take, it is known as junk food. So some foodstuffs also, although filling and tasty, are unhealthy for us. We also call them as a junk food. So you know, so in the home when we prepare chips, it is not tasty. Ante whenever your mother will prepare some food, snacks, example that is maybe chips. So mummy has prepared chips. So when you go to shop, you will eat a Lays, that is also chips. What you will tell, you know, మీరు ఏం చెప్తారంటే మమ్మీ నువ్వు చేసిన చిప్స్ ఏం బాగాలేవు, బయట లేస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ నైస్ యూ విల్ టెల్. సో లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ టేస్టీ ఫుడ్. బయట దొరికే ఒక ఫుడ్ చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ టేస్టీ అండ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ టేస్టీ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్ ఫర్ యువర్ హెల్త్. మీ యొక్క హెల్త్కి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్. వై? బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ జంక్ ఫుడ్. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఇన్ అ రాంగ్ మ్యాన్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ టేస్టీ, అంటే చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్ ఫర్ అవర్ హెల్త్. దే కంటైన్ టూ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాట్స్, so or too much of sugar, which is not good for us. Eating too much of junk food can make up puts of extra weight. So here what he is telling, eating of a junk food. So ఏంటిదంటే మనం బయట తిండి తింటాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇట్ మే బి నూడిల్స్, మంచూరియా, బర్గర్, పిజ్జా, కూల్ డ్రింక్స్, కేక్స్ and also chips. So here there are so much of outside food is there. Nowadays there is a lot of food is there, outside food that you will eat. So why you will eat? Because of tastyగా ఉండడానికి. So tasty is not good for health is saying. Why? Because it is not prepared. It may be sugar ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఫ్యాట్ ఎక్కువ తినడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, what it will happen, our health will be issues and we will be ill. So మన యొక్క health issues will become so fat and it is not good for health. We will not get any energy. With that junk food will not get any energy. జంక్ ఫుడ్ నుంచి మనకు ఎనర్జీ రాదు, కానీ మన యొక్క బాడీని, శరీరంలో మన యొక్క బాడీని ఏం చేస్తుంది, నష్టపడుతుంది. ఇట్ విల్ బి టేక్ ఇల్, మన యొక్క బాడీని ముద్దుగా ఇట్లా పెంచేస్తుంది, కానీ దానివల్ల ఏమీ యూజ్ ఉండదు. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ టెలింగ్ టు, ఇట్ విల్ బి ఓవర్ వెయిట్ అయిపోతుంది it is not good for our health. Openly I am saying what it is. You have to prepare it, whatever your mother is preparing inside. మీ ఇంట్లో fresh food, whatever she will prepare, vegetables, chips, snacks, whatever, it is a very good for our health. Outside food is not good for our health. So here he given some junk food. First one is chips. Burger, next one is burger. You know everyone, burger, pizza, cool drinks. Next it is cake. So here junk food, chips, burger, pizza, cool drink, cake. These all are junk food, only outside food. These all are outside food. It is not good. It is not good for your health. So it is not good to your health. So avoid this. So many people will avoid. Nowadays they are, due to the corona they avoid it, but again they have been started to eat junk food. Okay. So how much if you avoid, that much you will be safe. So now we are going to food preservation. So what we are going to now? Food preservation. So how we will preserve the food, we will know about now. Okay. Preservation. So what is meant by food preservation? Means keeping a food for long time. So to prevent, ante మన యొక్క food ni how we will prevent it. So now we will learn on the food preservation. Okay children, see here picture, you have been lot of food preservation. So now we will learn what is meant by food preservation. So here children, we have learned so much in the food and digestion. So how it is food, how we will take food. So we have to take good food, so then it will be easily digestion. So that is meant by food digestion ante aragadam. Food ante mana yokka tine oka ahara padarthalu. So now we are moving to the food preservation. So ela avutundi, etla preserve chestam mana yokka food ni, we will learn with this paragraph. Food preservation is a method of keeping the food for long time. So what is telling? Preservation means keeping long time. అంటే ఎక్కువగా నిలువుగా ఉండే ఒక ఫుడ్ని ప్రిజర్వేషన్ అంటారంట. ఫుడ్ ప్రిజర్వేషన్ అంటారంట. దట్ మే బి పికిల్స్, మురుకులు, విత్ స్నాక్స్ వి విల్ బ్రేక్. దట్ ఆర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఫర్ ది టైమ్. ఓకే. Both cooked and uncooked food can be preserved. So what he is telling here? Both ante uncooked food and cooked. How to preserve both uncooked and cooked food. Both uncooked and cooked food can be preserved. Okay. So uncooked food and cooked food, both then can be preserved. So to preserve food, we generally, so here he is telling to preserve, generally what we will use? Freezers. Yes. Refrigerator. Freezer is a meat, fish, cheese, vegetable. We will keep what in a freezer? Meat, fish, chicken, cheese, vegetable to be for a long time. Means it is not for monthly, just it is for 2 days, 1 day. Salt, it is an in pickles. Salt is as in pickles. Yes, we will, I told for you, pachadlu, okay, chutneys. Oil, it is an in pickle. Oil is in pickle. Salt is as in pickle. Salt to is in pickle. Next, moving to oil, it is an pickle. Next, can it as an tined food. So sweetened, it is an in jam, jelly and chutneys. Sweetens. Yes. Dehydrating it, that is remove water for drying the food. Food that's preserved lasts longer. So here I told for you, this is chutneys. Whatever we take chutneys, that may be mango, lemon, chutneys will be there. So they will preserve with the salt in as pickles, oil is in pickle, and tined food, that are laddus, whatever, with the help of sugar we will go. So these are the preserving the food. They will keep in the cheese freezer. So she is making the pickle. She is a endalo mana vadiyalu, మురుకులు అలాంటివి పెట్టుకుంటాం, అదొకటి. షీస్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ విత్ ద షుగర్ లడ్డూస్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ సో మెనీ we will prepare. So they will be long time. అర్షలు ఇలాంటివి it will be for 15 to 20 days. So pickles 1 year it will be. So we will keep in summer. So till summer it will come. So pickles. So what is mean by now preserving for a long time? So what is mean by preservation means being for a long time. Okay, this is known as preservation. So digestion of food. Now we will know about how the digestion of food. So tomorrow I will explain you what is mean by digestion of food, children. So now some more I will explain you what is mean by food preservation. So here he given pickles. So now vegetables will be there. So freezer for us we got a refrigerator. Food preservation ki inkonni examples cheptunanu. I am telling for you some more examples for you. What I will tell now. So to preserve for vegetables we will bring. So if you don't have fridge they will be ఎండిపోతాయి మొత్తం, దే విల్ బి స్మాష్ ఆఫ్, అవి ఎండిపోతాయి. సో వెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ రెఫ్రిజిరేటర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెథడ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ అ 1 week ఆల్సో టు ప్రిజర్వ్ ఓన్లీ. నో ఫర్ ఎ లాంగ్ టైమ్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ 1 week వీ విల్ ప్రిజర్వ్ ఇన్ ద ఫ్రిడ్జ్. సో యాజ్ ఫర్ దట్ మోర్ ఇంకేంటి పచ్చళ్ళు మనం తినే ఒక చట్నీస్, మ్యాంగో చట్నీ, టమాటా చట్నీ, దట్ ఈజ్ ఉసిరికాయ చట్నీ, ఆల్ పికిల్స్. Nowadays everyone will make a pickle. Why? Because if we don't have curries, they will take in a rice తో మనం pickles తింటాం. So that is also one of the preservation of a food. Next మనం ఇప్పుడు వడియాలు, you know, in the summer we will keep వడియాలు, పాపడాలు, అప్పడాలు we will ఎంచుకోవడానికి మనం ఆయిల్లో వేయంగానే అవి వేగిపోతాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెథడ్ టు ప్రిజర్వ్ ద ఫుడ్. సో మెనీ లాంగ్ టైం ఉంటాయి ఆ వడియాలు కూడా. ఇవాళ పెట్టంగానే రేపు ఖరాబ్ కావు కదా, ఎండలో పెడతారు, ఎండలో వడియాలు పెట్టేసి అవి ఉంచేస్తారు, అవి ఎండిపోతే గలగల ఎన్నో రోజులు వస్తాయి అవి. అలా ఇంకో మెథడ్ టు ప్రిజర్వ్ ద ఫుడ్. సో ఇలాంటి కొన్ని లడ్డూలు, స్వీట్స్. సో ఇన్ ద స్వీట్ షాప్ యూ విల్ సీ మోస్ట్ దే విల్ కీప్ లడ్డూస్ అలానే ఉంటాయి. డైలీ చేస్తాననుకుంటా, నో, దే విల్ ఆల్సో ప్రిజర్వ్ ఇట్. లడ్డు, జిలేబీ స్వీట్స్ మేబీ. సో సమ్ స్వీట్ విల్ బి అంటే ఖరాబ్ అవుతాయి, కొన్ని ఏమంటాయి ఖరాబ్ అయిపోతాయి, కొన్ని మాత్రం చాలా రోజుల వరకు ఉంటాయి. అవి మురుకులు కానీ మనం తింటాం, మురుకులు మమ్మీ వాళ్ళు ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తారు ఫెస్టివల్స్కి, అవి కూడా ఎక్కువ రోజులు ఉంటాయి. మురుకులు, అప్పలు, అరిసెలు ఇలాంటివి కొన్ని ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్, స్వీట్ అండ్ టేస్టీ సాల్ట్వి. తర్వాత ఇంకొకటి వచ్చేసి ఫ్రిడ్జ్ వల్ల. సో హౌ టు ప్రిజర్వ్ ద ఫుడ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెథడ్స్. సో చిల్డ్రన్స్, ఐ hope you all are understanding my lessons. Okay, I am hoping that childrens you are understanding my lessons, and if you are not understanding, once go through the elders. మీ ఒక elders ని అడగండి. Okay, if you don't have textbooks, take from the school textbooks. Why? Because we are moving to the next class అంటే year, so we are not having schools, so we are taking so much of risk to tell for you. If we are taking risk, then you also small thing you do, take the risk. మీరు కూడా ఒక చిన్న రిస్క్ తీసుకొని టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ తీసుకొని, when you take the textbook, కీప్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ దట్, యువర్ ఎల్డర్స్ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ. మీ పేరెంట్స్ అయినా చదవండి అంటారు, లేదా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లేకపోతే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ విని ఇక్కడ నుంచి తీసేస్తా. సో డోంట్ డూ దట్ వన్. ప్లీజ్ లిజన్ అండ్ టేక్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ అండ్ లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ అండ్ బీ ఎ గుడ్ చిల్డ్రన్, బీ ఎ గుడ్ chill. Okay, be a good child. And also one more thing, don't take easy studying. Study is very important in our life. మన పేరెంట్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు, వాళ్ళు కొంతమంది ఫార్మర్ చేస్తారు, కొంతమంది పొలాలలో చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళు చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు కానీ మిమ్మల్ని కష్టపడి చదివిస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకు ఫలితం ఇవ్వడానికన్నా మీరు శ్రద్ధ అంటే కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్, కీప్ ద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ అండ్ రీడ్ ఇట్. డోంట్ వేస్ట్ టైమ్. యూ ఆర్ వేస్టెడ్ ఆల్రెడీ సో మచ్ ఇయర్, 6 months we are wasted. So now also keep this much interest and be good children. So thank you children, thank you very much, and read well and don't మీ యొక్క పేరెంట్స్ని సతాయించొద్దు. Please take, when you give respect to your parents, you are a good child, you are a very good boy and girl. So thank you very much children, thank you.